Hey everyone, welcome back to the Success Manual. In today's video, I am going to talk to you guys about a question almost everyone asks at some point in their career. How do I get promoted? Not just eventually, not just someday, but how do I get promoted the right way? Because there is a right way to do it and a wrong way that keeps you frustrated, overlooked, and stuck in place. Let's get started. When I started working as a customer service coordinator at one of the largest airlines in the world, I had already spent a few years as an agent on the front lines. I knew the work, I knew the pressure, I knew what it felt like to be the one people came to when things went wrong, but not always the one management turned to when it was time for opportunities. I used to believe that being good at the job would speak for itself, that if I was consistent and respectful and helpful, eventually someone would tap me on the shoulder and say, "Hey, you're next." But promotions do not work like that. I remember the exact moment it clicked. There was a leadership meeting happening behind a closed door, and I was outside dealing with a complicated passenger issue. I resolved it quickly and respectfully, and even got a compliment from the customer. But the manager who was in the meeting had no idea. I realized that doing a good job is expected. It's not a reason to get promoted. The people who move up were the ones who made themselves visible, the ones who spoke up, the ones who brought solutions not just to their shift, but to the broader operation. So I started showing up differently. Not louder, not arrogant, just more intentional. I would ask if I could shadow managers. I would take notes on operational issues and pitch improvements. I would ask for feedback regularly and applied it immediately. I learned the policies inside out, not just to follow them, but to understand where they came from and how to work with them. I built relationships across departments, supported coworkers without being asked, and made sure that my presence was felt without needing to brag about it. It was the same mindset I developed when I was leading emergency response teams in CERT. As a team captain, no one promoted you based on how fast you could run to a scene. Promotions came from being reliable, under pressure, making smart decisions, communicating clearly, and training others to be better. It wasn't just about being excellent, it was about raising the standard for everyone else around you. Getting promoted the right way means understanding your environment. It means showing leadership long before you have the title. It means making life easier for the people above you, while also being a source of strength for the people beside you. And most importantly, it means having a plan, not just hoping to get noticed, but knowing exactly what you bring to the table and making sure the right people see it. If this video resonated with you and you are ready to stop waiting and start moving, I would love to help you. Head over to my website and explore how I can help you craft a customized career path redesign tailored to your needs, to your wants, and to your plans for the future. And hey, if this video gave you a new lens on what it really takes to get promoted, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like the video and drop a comment down below. I would like to know what's one thing that you're going to start doing differently at work starting this week. And of course, don't forget to follow on Instagram for daily tips and leadership insights. Thank you for watching, and remember, promotions don't go to the quietest or the busiest. They go to the most strategic. See you in the next video.